video walkthrough of this third floor, 1-bedroom split apartment. Opens up to the foyer. And we have a bathroom right here, standing shower tub combo. We have a vanity with some shelves right over there, sink and toilet. Back into the hallway. A little linen closet right over here. And as I mentioned, it is a split, a 1-bedroom split. So you basically have 2 individual rooms. Have a couple of windows right here, good sunlight. No closet in this room. Back into the hallway. We have another closet right here. Good sized closet. We have a kitchen with some retro flooring, vinyl, a window, some cabinets up top, fridge, gas stove, open range gas stove, sink, a couple of outlets, and that is the kitchen. We have the other room, the other bedroom, good size, couple of windows. All right, and there is a closet in this room. Good size closet. Laundry on site, heat and hot water included. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting. Be in touch.